Welcome to this geometry lesson on understanding the slope of a line. Today, we are going to explore what slope actually means, how to visualize it as rise over run, and how to calculate it using coordinates. So, what exactly is slope? In mathematics, slope is a number that defines two things about a line: its steepness and its direction. Steepness tells us how fast the line rises or falls, while direction tells us if it is going up, down, or staying flat. We typically use the letter m to represent slope. The most common way to think about slope is the phrase rise over run. The rise is the change in the vertical distance, meaning how much the line goes up or down. The run is the change in the horizontal distance, meaning how much it goes left or right. Mathematically, slope is simply the rise divided by the run. To calculate slope precisely, we use a specific formula. Slope m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here, x1 and y1 are the coordinates of your first point, and x2 and y2 are the coordinates of your second point on the line. It is important to recognize the difference between positive and negative slopes. A positive slope means the line goes up as you move from left to right. A negative slope means the line goes down as you move from left to right. Think of it like reading a book. Always check the line from left to right. There are two special cases to remember. First, a perfectly horizontal line has a zero slope because there is no rise. Second, a vertical line has an undefined slope. This is because the run is zero, and in mathematics, we cannot divide by zero. Let us try an example. We want to find the slope between point 1 at coordinates 1, 2 and point 2 at coordinates 4, 8. First, we find the rise by subtracting the y values. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Then, the run by subtracting the x values. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Finally, 6 divided by 3 gives us a slope of 2. Now let us look at a negative slope. We have a point at 0, 4 and another at 4, 0. For the rise, 0 minus 4 is negative 4. For the run, 4 minus 0 is positive 4. Negative 4 divided by positive 4 gives us a slope of negative 1. The line is going downwards. We see slope everywhere in the real world. A steep roof has a high slope to help water run off quickly. A wheelchair ramp needs a very low, gentle slope so it is safe and easy to climb. Understanding these physical slopes helps us understand the numbers behind them. To summarize, remember that slope measures steepness and direction. It is calculated as rise over run. Positive lines go up, negative lines go down. Horizontal lines have zero slope, and vertical lines are undefined. And do not forget the formula: m equals the change in y divided by the change in x.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.